Mechanic with 19 years of experience. Works at a shop that services 40-50 Silverados per month. You know what he told me when I asked which year he prefers to work on? When I see a pre-2015 pull in, I smile. When I see a 2016 and up, I sigh. Why would a mechanic prefer working on an older truck over a new one? Stay till the end because reason number 1 will shock you, and it explains why pre-2015 owners are saving thousands of dollars. If you have a pre-2015 Silverado and want to know why mechanics love working on it, subscribe now and comment your year because I want to know. Let's go. Reason number 5, parts cost half the price. The mechanic showed me a real example. Fuel pump for a 2014 Silverado, $180 to $220, quality aftermarket. Same pump for a 2019 Silverado, $420 to $580, more than double. Same function, same installation. And it's not just pumps, he told me, it's everything. Alternators, starters, bearings, sensors, everything costs double on the new ones. Why? Because pre-2015 uses GMT 900 parts. That generation ran from 2007 to 2014, 8 years. Result, aftermarket manufacturers made millions of these parts. Competition equals low price. 2015 and up, new generation, less time on the market, fewer manufacturers, price high. Customer with a 2014 leaves here spending $800, he told me. Customer with a 2019, same service, $1,600. Reason number 4, less electronics equals less headache. Pre-2015, I diagnosed in 15-20 minutes, the mechanic told me. 2016 and up sometimes takes 2 hours. Why? Amount of sensors and electronic modules. 2014 Silverado, 30 main sensors. 2019 Silverado, 65 sensors, more than double. And the worst part, he told me, is that the new sensors talk to each other. So one bad sensor can throw error codes somewhere else. You're chasing ghosts. Real example it gave me, customer with a 2020 came in with check engine light. Code pointed to an oxygen sensor. They replaced it, light came back. Found out later, it was the electronic throttle body module sending wrong signal to the O2 sensor. On a 2014, bad O2 sensor, it's the sensor. Simple as that. Less time diagnosing equals less labor cost for you. If you have a pre-2015 and you're noticing that you really spend less at the mechanic, hit that like now and stay because the next 3 reasons are even better. Reason number 3, you can do maintenance with basic tools. Pre-2015, I can do 90% of services with tools that every mechanic has, he explained. 2016 and up, need advanced OBD2 scanner, $2,000 to $4,000, module reprogramming software, special tools for sensor calibration, computer with GM software. Last week, a 2021 came in needing steering angle sensor replacement. He told me, after replacing it, you have to calibrate with computer. Without that, it won't work. Calibration cost $150 to $200 just to plug into the computer. On a 2014, replace the sensor, drive around the block, done. 0 calibration. And this means small shops can work on pre-2015. New ones, only dealership or large shop. Result, less competition equals higher price for you. Reason number 2, everything is more physically accessible. To replace an alternator on a 2014, 20 minutes, the mechanic told me. On a 2019, 2 hours. Why? Modern engineering packs everything tight. Pre-2015 V8 engine, generous space around. 2015 plus V8 engine, everything cramped, wiring on top, brackets underneath. To replace spark plugs on a 2019 V8, I have to remove engine cover, air ducts, wiring harness, sometimes even engine mount, he explained. On a 2014, open hood, remove cover, plugs are right there. 30 minutes and done. And time is money. Mechanic charges by the hour. 2014, 0.5 hour labor, $50 to $75. 2019, 2 hours labor, $200 to $300. 4 times more expensive, same service. And reason number 1, this is what really surprised me. It's not about price. It's not about time. It's about something mechanics never admit publicly. Reason number 1, pre-2015 is more satisfying to fix. And here, the mechanic was honest with me. Look, I make more money on 2016 and up, he told me. Longer diagnosis, more expensive parts, more complicated. I charge more. But I don't enjoy working on them. Why? Because half the time I'm fighting with electronics. It's not mechanics, it's IT. I became a computer technician, not a mechanic. He told me something that stuck with me. That's why older mechanics with 20-30 years experience, they prefer the old ones. because they became mechanics to work with their hands, not with mouse and keyboard. And look, he concluded, when the mechanic enjoys the work, he does better. He's more careful, because it's not just another boring job, it's work he's proud to do. This explains why veteran mechanics love working on pre-2015s. And it explains why you, as an owner, can find good mechanics easier. So, summarizing, why mechanics prefer pre-2015. Parts cost half. Diagnosis in 15 minutes versus 2 hours. Common tools work. Repair time is half. More satisfying to work on. Better service quality. What does this mean for you, pre-2015 owner? You save on parts, save on labor, find better mechanics, and can do basic maintenance yourself, while 2016 Plus owners pay double and can only go to the dealership.
So tell me, what year is your Silverado? And have you noticed you spend less than owners of new ones? Comment. Like if you finally understood why your old truck is actually an advantage. And next week, the 5 worst Silverado years that even mechanics refuse to work on. Don't miss it. Thanks, and see you next time.